have bad breath problems, stained teeth, fillings and crowns falling apart, root canals hurting? Call Dr. Navjot Pandrop at 408-739-6520. Dr. Navjot has over 10 years of experience and works with a great team of specialists and dentists like Dr. Breitenbach. They're conveniently located in Sunnyvale at 689 East Remington Drive, Suite B, across from the Sunnyvale Community Center. Most insurance plans accepted. Same-day emergency appointments available. Call today to make an appointment at 408-739-6520 and receive special discounts for bringing in friends and family. Take advantage of your yearly maximum and FSA before December for checkups and cleanings. Get a free whitening kit with your treatment, valid for new PPO and cash payments on treatments for this month only. To make an appointment, call today at 408-739-6520 or visit AmazingSmileDental.com.
Hello and welcome to Baby Matters on Radio Fundu. I'm your hostess, Sarika. Babies matter to us. In fact, they mean the world to us. So let's talk Baby Matters. दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर आपके ही अपने शो में, जिसमें करते हैं हम ढेर सारी बातें बच्चों के बारे में, शेयर करते हैं टिप्स, एडवाइस, रिव्यूज, होम रेमेडीज, सुनते हैं प्यारे प्यारे गीत और भी बहुत कुछ, with the hope that we can learn a lot from each other as a community. लोग कहते हैं बच्चे पालना बच्चों का खेल नहीं है, पर मैं पूछती हूँ कि बच्चा होना भी कोई आसान काम है क्या? खासकर आज के जमाने में इट्स नॉट इजी बीइंग अ चाइल्ड. आप कहेंगे क्यों भाई, बच्चों को करना ही क्या होता है? They don't have to earn a living, they don't have to pay for anything, they have someone to take care of all their needs. पर आपने कभी किसी बच्चे से पूछा है क्या? यकीनन जवाब ये होगा that in exchange for having someone take care of me, I have to live under rules, I have no freedom, I have to do what any adult tells me, whether I want to or not. There's school, there's homework, there's assignment, there's peer pressure, and above all, having to live up to parents' expectation. A kid's life is not all that carefree, I tell you. So I think our kids truly deserve a break this spring break. In fact, break all rules for once. सारे नियम तोड़ दो, नियम पे चलना छोड़ दो. सारे नियम तोड़ दो, नियम पे चलना छोड़ दो. सारे नियम तोड़ दो, नियम पे चलना छोड़ दो. सारे नियम तोड़ दो, नियम पे चलना छोड़ दो. अरे सारे नियम तोड़ दो, नियम पे चलना छोड़ दो. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. आप भी बोलिए इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. खाओ पियो मजा करो, खिलखिला कर हंसा करो, कल की चिंता करेंगे कल, आज तो आज ही जिया करो. इसलिए सारे नियम तोड़ दो, नियम पे चलना छोड़ दो. अरे सारे नियम तोड़ दो, नियम पे चलना छोड़ दो. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. जी हाँ दोस्तों, लाएं अपनी जिंदगी में इनकलाब और जिए आज के लिए. आप सुन रहे हैं बेबी मैटर्स ऑन रेडियो फंडू और मैं हूँ सारिका. इफ यू हैव एनी फीडबैक फॉर अस और सजेशंस, राइट टू अस एट babymatters@radiofundu.com. That's BABYMATTERS @radiofundu.com. I was talking to Shubhada, our Ayurvedic expert, about how none of us is getting any younger. ब्रेक में करते हैं बच्चे बड़ा धमाल और हो जाता है पेरेंट्स का बुरा हाल. How should we keep our energy and stamina up so that we can keep up with our kids? Unfortunately, Shubhada could not be here, but she has shared some great tips with me which I'm going to pass on. पहली बात, drink lots and lots of water. Don't underestimate the power of hydration for energy. Fresh squeezed fruits पीजिए, fresh squeezed veggies खाइए, पीजिए. They provide the prana, the vital energy we need to keep going all day. To boost energy, you can also try herbs such as Brahmi, Ashwagandha and Chamomilla, which have a calming effect on the central nervous system and in turn will keep you energized. Eat naturally sweet and healthy snacks. Dates खाइए, nuts खाइए like almonds. Saute them in ghee, which we all know has very many medicinal properties. So all these things will hopefully perk you up and help you rejuvenate during spring break. Thank you so much, Shubhada, for sharing these tips with us. और अब हम लेते हैं छोटा सा एक break. A word from our sponsors.
Tired of bad breath problems, stained teeth, fillings and crowns falling apart, root canals hurting? Call Dr. Navjot Pandrop at 408-739-6520. Dr. Navjot has over 10 years of experience and works with a great team of specialists and dentists like Dr. Breitenbach. They're conveniently located in Sunnyvale at 689 East Remington Drive, Suite B, across from the Sunnyvale Community Center. Most insurance plans accepted. Same-day emergency appointments available. Call today to make an appointment at 408-739-6520 and receive special discounts for bringing in friends and family. Take advantage of your yearly maximum and FSA before December for checkups and cleanings. Get a free whitening kit with your treatment, valid for new PPO and cash payments on treatments for this month only. To make an appointment, call today at 408-739-6520 or visit AmazingSmileDental.com.
You are listening to Baby Matters on Radio Fundu. मैं हूँ सारिका. शो अच्छा लग रहा है तो दोस्तों को बताएं, अच्छा नहीं लगा तो मुझे बताएं. Write to me at babymatters@radiofundu.com. अब मेरे साथ है स्टूडियो में डॉक्टर नवजोत पंजरत ऑफ अमेजिंग स्माइल डेंटल ऑफ Sunnyvale. Dr. Panjrat has several years of experience and works with a team of specialists in her Sunnyvale office. आपको अगर अपने बच्चों के लिए या फिर अपने आप के लिए उनसे अपॉइंटमेंट सेटअप करनी है तो कॉल कीजिए 408-739-6520. Welcome Dr. Panjrat and thanks for taking the time to talk to us again.
Thanks, Sarika, for having me on the show again.
So हम बात कर रहे हैं स्प्रिंग ब्रेक की और स्प्रिंग की बच्चों की. So what advice and tips do you have for us today?
That's right. It's a very fun topic. I think spring break में parents और बच्चों को इकट्ठे time spend करने का खूब सारा मौका मिलता है. And I have two recommendations or suggestions for our parents out there. Firstly, healthy hygiene habits और diet पे ध्यान दें. बैलेंस डाइट की तरफ इंक्लाइन करें अपने बच्चों को. बैलेंस डाइट में आई वुड सजेस्ट कि इंटेलिजेंट सब्स्टिट्यूशन बहुत जरूरी है. हम लोग सब जानते हैं कि बच्चों को कुकीज खाना बहुत पसंद है, स्टिकी फूड्स बहुत पसंद होते हैं लाइक कैंडीज. उनको अगर हम कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के साथ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं लाइक फूड्स लाइक ग्रेनोला में जो हाई है या फिर ओटमील में जो हाई है, उनके साथ हमारे बच्चों को ना ही एक नॉट ओनली न्यूट्रिशन मिलेगा बट ऑल्सो दे विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ अदर विटामिन्स दैट दे नीड. Then this is also a time to actually monitor their soda intake. जैसे आप कह रही थी कि juices पिएं instead of sodas. I think juices are a great thing. Yogurt smoothies are very good because they're very high on vitamin D. So I'd suggest yogurt smoothies. And then to add a little hint of fun, Sarika, I would suggest कि popsicles दे सकते हैं. They're high on sugar. बट उसके बाद अगर आप रिंस कर दें उनका माउथ तो आई थिंक किड्स आर गोना फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट. थोड़ा सा नियम तोड़ना हो जाएगा.
जरूर, क्यों नहीं.
And then, fruits and salads की intake बढ़ाएं because fruits and salads also have a cleansing effect like carrots हो गए, apples हो गए. देन हाइजीन के ऊपर बात करते हैं. हाइजीन में आप we've been reiterating in our earlier episodes also कि आप उनकी ब्रशिंग हैबिट्स को रीइंफोर्स करें, साथ में मिल के ब्रश करें. उनको थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आप नियम जो है थोड़ा सा आप देख सकते हैं, उनकी ब्रशिंग को या फ्लॉसिंग को मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं. थोड़े से बड़े बच्चे हैं तो उनकी क्लीनिंग अपॉइंटमेंट्स जो है वो सेट करने का बहुत अच्छा टाइम है. वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स दीज डेज ड्यूरिंग द ब्रेक्स स्पेशली जो अपने बच्चों को लेके आते हैं, स्पेशली बिकॉज किड्स टेंड टू ईट वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली एंड फ्रीक्वेंट ईटिंग के टाइम पे आप रिंजिंग का ध्यान बहुत जरूरी है, वो जरूर दें. एंड देन यू नो माय लास्ट थिंग इज अमेरिकन डेंटल एसोसिएशन सारिका रेकमेंड्स कि एक गुड डेंटल हेल्थ के लिए breads, cereals and other grain products, they provide vitamins for healthy growth of teeth. Then dairy products that are high in vitamin D, they strengthen their teeth. Then fruits and vegetables हैं वो vitamin C provide करते हैं for their healthy gums. And lean meats, fish, poultry हैं वो iron and protein for overall good health of their teeth provide करते हैं. Remember, the last thing I would end it with is the next time they reach for a snack, pick a food that is low in sugar and low in fat. Your teeth and body are going to thank you for it.
And we thank you, Dr. Panchrat, for being here again and spending your precious time to give us great tips.
You're very welcome.
तो अब चलते हैं हम आज के क्विज की ओर. लास्ट वीक की क्विज के विनर थे रघु मुतराज, and the answer to the question was Ashok Kumar was the singer of the song Rail Gaadi Chuk Chuk Chuk. The prize is free teeth cleaning sponsored by Amazing Smile Dental of Sunnyvale. अब मैं सुनाने जा रही हूँ आपको एक गाना और आपको बताना है मुझे ईमेल पर babymatters@radiofundo.com पर कि इस गीत में एक फीमेल चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट है जो बाद में एक फेमस एक्ट्रेस बनी. What is the name of the female child artist on whom this song is picturized, who later became a famous actress? So let's listen to the song.
काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पैजू मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा.
आपको हमें बताना है कि इस सॉन्ग में एक फीमेल चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट थी जो बाद में एक फेमस एक्ट्रेस बनी, उसका नाम क्या था? लिखिए हमें babymatters@radiofundo.com पर and you could win a free teeth cleaning sponsored by Amazing Smile Dental of Sunnyvale. If you have an idea for a fun activity perfect for the spring break, call us. कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटी बे एरिया में हो रही हो जिसमें आप अपने बच्चों को ले जाना चाहते हैं, which you'd like to tell all our listeners, then call us at 1-855-772-8278. Share a few fun ideas that you'd like to do with your kids during the spring break. Call us at 1-855-772-8278. मेरे साथ एक बार फिर है स्टूडियो में दीपाली हालेपेटे, a mom to two beautiful girls 8 and 5. Dipali, I'm sure as a mom you have to come up with ideas for entertaining your kids all the time. So why don't you give us some recommendations for things to do around during the spring break?
Absolutely, Sarika. Since we're talking about the spring break, how about we take some time to just smell the flowers?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं, अब नहीं तो फिर और कब. And I want to remind the listeners, last time की शुभदा की tip for pollen allergies, lubricate your nostrils with ghee and eat a tablespoon of raw honey every day to build up your immunity and to reduce allergies. So Dipali, tell us.
So the first thing that I want to talk about is the Spring Fling, which is coming up in Filoli Gardens in Woodside, and this is going to happen on April 2nd. It's actually free for kids 4 and younger. Now at this event, there's something for both parents and kids. Parents can actually enjoy beautiful magnolias, camellias, and vibrant tulips, while their children pot a spring plant in a pot that they themselves decorate. And also, there'll be a storyteller, face painters, craft tables, complimentary popcorn, and even a puppet show.
Wow, great idea. I like that it's free for kids 4 and younger. अगर आपके पास लगता है हमारे पास एक कॉल आ गई है, so let's put the person on and listen to the idea. Hello and welcome to Baby Matters. You are on air. Go ahead and share the idea with us.
My idea of spring break is to attend Asha Stanford Holi on April 3rd with my family. And my name is Sona. And I would also like to add that this is a great show and I look forward to listening to it every Thursday. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sona, for calling and participating in the show. Great idea. Asha Stanford Holi on April 3rd. तो दीपाली, आपका next idea क्या है? क्या कर सकते हैं बच्चे?
So, Sarika, this is a tough economic environment for many, but you don't have to spend a lot of money to create happy memories with your kids. So, what you can do is take your kids to the Conservatory of Flowers in Golden Gate Park in San Francisco. It's actually free on the first Tuesday of every month. And right now, I think the conservatory offers children the opportunity to be conductor for the day during the run of the Garden Railway exhibition, which is for a fee. Finally, a great way to see flowers in natural surroundings and to breathe in the wonderful aroma of spring is to take a hike to Tamales Point in Poitras. You can actually pack a picnic lunch and you can go to see the stunning displays of wildflower. And this entire hike is actually along the Blue Pacific Ocean, and a bonus sighting, you can also see elk. Close to Point Reyes, there's also Kehoe Beach, where dogs are allowed. And for the more experienced hikers, the hike to Alameda Falls is a rewarding one, where at the end of the trail, you can actually watch the waterfall flow directly into the ocean.
Wow, these are some beautiful suggestions, Dipali. Thank you so much. I do want to mention here that family time should not just be for fun, but also time to impart important values to our kids. Grow the spirit of giving in them, especially in times like these. Talk to them about how fortunate they are and how unfortunate certain kids in other parts of the world are. Decide on a charity as a family. Volunteer in an organization as a team. Ask your kids to give away their old books and toys. Tell them how other kids are not as fortunate.
Sarika, that's a really great point that you brought up. In fact, during the last break, my girls love animals and also doing art and craft. So one project that I did with them during the last break was to have them paint the portrait of someone's pet on a canvas and make a fleece blanket for their pet. And in turn, we asked the pet owner to make a donation to the Humane Society in Milpitas.
Wow.
It not only nurtured my kids' artistic talent, but it made them feel so happy that they helped take care of less fortunate animals, especially since we have a pampered pooch at home.
Yani ki passion coupled with compassion. Beautiful. I love it. I think this is perfect time to play our next song, and I'd like to dedicate that to all the underprivileged kids in the world.
जिसमें राजा ना हो रानी। माँ सुनाओ मुझे वो कहानी जिसमें राजा ना हो रानी। माँ सुनाओ मुझे वो कहानी जिसमें राजा ना हो रानी।
You are on Baby Matters on Radio Fundu. बताइए, what idea do you have for us for spring break? Let's put the caller on, please.
Hello. Yeah, I want to tell you about this contest which is going to happen on April 17th. It's an art contest. It's for the kids 5 to 8 years old and 8 to 12 years old. There are 2 categories. And I think it will be a fun contest for kids. They can draw anything about the universe, and there are some really exciting prizes for that. So I'm going to take my kids there for this art contest, and it's going to happen at Tulip After School. You can check the website. It's tulipafterschool.com. So, yeah, I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and kids love to do art. Thank you so much.
Thank you for calling. आप सुन रहे थे बेबी मैटर्स ऑन रेडियो फंडू और मैं हूं सारिका. गिव अस योर फीडबैक एट babymatters@radiofundu.com. जाते जाते I want to give you some food for thought. Children need your presence more than your presence. Until next week, happy parenting. I hope you enjoyed listening to the show as much as I enjoyed bringing the show to you.
Problems, stained teeth, fillings and crowns falling apart, root canals hurting? Call Dr. Navjot Pandrop at 408-739-6520. Dr. Navjot has over 10 years of experience and works with a great team of specialists and dentists like Dr. Breitenbach. They're conveniently located in Sunnyvale at 689 East Remington Drive, Suite B, across from the Sunnyvale Community Center. Most insurance plans accepted. Same-day emergency appointments available. Call today to make an appointment at 408-739-6520 and receive special discounts for bringing in friends and family. Take advantage of your yearly maximum and FSA before December for checkups and cleanings. Get a free whitening kit with your treatment, valid for new PPO and cash payments on treatments for this month only. To make an appointment, call today at 408-739-6520 or visit AmazingSmileDental.com.
చకరకచీచాచో చకలోరం గండో వండో లకరకతం అక్కో టక్కో ఇడిగిడి ఇడిగో ఇడిపాయ్ విడిపాయ్ చికిచకచో గిలిగిలి మల్ సులుసులు మల్ మకరక ముకుబుకురే డుకుబుకురే చకలక బిక్కో చిక్కో సిలి సిలి సిలిగో బగడుతుం చగడుతుం చికిచకచో. क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई? देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई? बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं कल खुले कहीं? हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले.